Hello, good afternoon. How are you?
Fine, thank you. But ma'am, sorry to disappoint you.
No, no problem. No problem.
I'm not afraid of being on stage or afraid of speaking in front of anybody
Mm-hmm.
in Hindi.
Mm-hmm.
I can explain all the things in Hindi very well.
Mm-hmm.
But when it comes to English, then I feel hesitation because I'm not perfect at that.
Okay.
So many times I think that if I want to say something and if it doesn't mean that what I am thinking, so it will be a wrong message to the person who is listening to that.
Hmm. No
That's why
problem.
I'm afraid.
Actually, we all are not very good at it. It is not our mother tongue. The second thing I would like to say here, let go these things and should we discuss now the topic?
Yes,
Okay.
yes, I'm ready
One
and I will try my best.
Yeah, sure. Okay. One additional tips I want to give you. I'm no one to give you tips because you are much experienced than me. But here I want to share my experience when I went online, when I
Yes,
went on my camera. Previously,
okay.
I taught for many years without revealing my face.
Yes,
Reason was maybe I didn't have time to be presentable all the time. If we start focusing our look, we are what we are going to wear every day. This is the reason all the time I wear the same t-shirt. I have decided for myself not to
hmm,
distract about many options and not to think, not to waste energy and time to think what I'm going to wear, how I'm going to look, because I will be looking the same every day. So this was the only reason. I didn't want to waste my time thinking what I'm going to wear. I didn't want to be presentable. I was busy doing a lot of things which took a lot of time. So that is why. But one day I noticed now that time has come where I need to work on my personality. I was an offline teacher. I was in habit of moving while teaching. I used to walk while teaching. I mean, I was completely free physically to move, to do whatever I wanted. But here in online, this is quite different than offline. You have to straight and constantly sit in the right position and all the time. Then you can be focused by others and you can focus to others. Otherwise, if you are moving your body all the time while teaching, it doesn't sound good. It would sound weird for your students, even like they would judge you. So one day I recorded my video after 2.5 years. I thought now I need to be visible. One video which I recorded, it was my first time when I recorded and I watched it by myself. Then I could guess a lot of things which were really needed improvement. What was those mistakes? I was moving my shift, I was shaking my body. That was a kind of a funny thing which I noticed. I worked on my personality 4 to 5 times. I watched the same video, then I worked for the second time. The same mistake which I did in the previous video, I recovered in the second video. So this way, it took 1 month to work on my personality, on my gestures especially. And I worked very well. I'm telling you, after 1 month, I was quite okay. But I started uploading my videos being visible. And now I can differentiate that video and now this video. There were a lot of things which really I improved, and I thought like it was good when I decided to be visible. So one day I was telling you, Naki, like if we record our audio, we can judge better and we can be even better for the next time, for the second time. Same thing applies in video as well. Your eye contact matters a lot. Your head movement matters a lot. Your voice fluctuation, intonation matters a lot. Your body language, your hand movements matters a lot when you are talking, and it decides how much confident you are.
yes, you are right.
Most of the
You
time,
are
you
right.
you must have seen, most of the time people are adjusting their hair, or they are touching many times their faces. These kind of things you will be doing, you'll be habitual doing, because this is your first time. Of course you're going to be nervous, maybe uncomfortable. Sometimes it is not nervousness, but you are a bit uncomfortable. I think different meanings I would say here. Nervousness is other thing, but for the first time if you are doing, you are a bit uncomfortable because you're not habitual. And if you daily face the camera, you'll be okay. uh you can think like how actor and actresses, I mean, in front of camera, how they react. They can cry, they can lie. Can we be comfortable? Can we be on the bed in front of a cameraman? No, never. But they have to, because they worked on it. Sometimes I think the way they lie on the bed, the way they give the poses. I mean, if any, even a mouse were here in my room, I cannot do. So how can they do in front of camera people, cameramen? So, okay. So it was the
Okay.
I'm really sorry I spoke a lot, but it was really
No, no,
touched
no,
my
no,
heart, and which I'm
no,
telling you. Hmm.
no. Ma'am, if you are speaking in this way and you are picking out the do's and don'ts while coming on the in front of the camera, it is good because you are an online. It is good you are aware of all the aspects of online teaching. It is very good. But in my case, I am shy by nature. Even I don't dance in front of anybody. I
Okay.
can dance when I am alone in my room. But if someone is there, then I cannot dance. I
Hmm.
cannot sing. I am
Yeah,
shy by nature.
yeah.
So many times
It's
I
up to
try to
our
hide
choice.
myself
It's up to
when.
our choice, of course.
Yes,
Sometimes,
yes, yes,
no, no, no. Sometimes we cannot say we are introvert all the time. Introvert
yes,
meaning is different ways in different things.
yes.
Suppose I'm very comfortable professionally talking with anyone, but when it comes to personal talking, really, I cannot make even a single friend. I'm very bad at it. I don't know what to talk, how to start, really. That is a stupid thing I'm telling you. Same thing happens with me when it comes to dance.
Yes.
I feel really so shy, and I have been many times forced a lot. I made many people, like, really, they are bothered, annoyed because of me. Like, if they forced a lot, when I'm not ready to dance, they are going to be annoyed now. So that is the thing. Okay.
Sometimes when it is time to take family pictures with so many members, so I try to hide myself behind my husband.
Okay. Oh, really? Okay. Yeah, of course, I can relate, but actually, it can be genetic, I think, because my mom was also like that. She used to tell
Yes.
me whenever any guest used to come, she used to hide herself behind the door. So I think it came to me now. Okay.
Okay.
So now let's start our topic, and
Yes.
I think you must have prepared for this topic, right? Okay.
And I thought a lot about this. I tried to make a list of a good exercise for me last 2 days. I have not prepared any particular topic to share with you.
Hmm.
In my childhood, or we can, I was in college. In those days, it was possible. And so I had opened an account in Town Hall Library. The rent for the books up to a limit uh, were only 1 rupee per month. I
Okay.
used to take 5 books every fortnight to my home and read. Then I used to exchange those books after 15 days. Station. When I got married and some years passed, then I realized what is the actual meaning of freedom. When there were so many responsibilities on me, physically I was trapped in work in the morning 6 a.m. from in the morning 6 a.m. till until 10 in the night.
I was tied with
I
my
was
work.
physically, I was
Tied with my responsibilities, right? I
okay.
was confined. I was tied with my responsibilities.
So physically, I was totally in cage, like cage. But what I can think in while working was in my hands. When I realized this thing, so I tried to give tonic to my brain by listening books. Then I started listening audiobooks. Uh, my family was my first priority. I am a responsible woman. I don't escape from responsibilities. If God has given me so many responsibilities, then it is good for me
Right.
because He believes that I can fulfill all those responsibilities from the bottom of my heart and with all the respect. That's why He gave me so many responsibilities. But while doing cooking and while washing dishes and while washing clothes, what I am thinking matters more. So I started listening books and I kept my mind busy in thinking and in listening and in observing things.
Yeah, really amazing part. I also means I started doing the same thing as you are telling 4 years ago only. Before
Mm.
this, I was not aware how can we utilize time. 4 years ago, I was not in that mode like I should utilize my time. I wasted a lot of my time, and then I one day I realized like if I'm using my hands, and so my brain is free now. We should utilize
Yes,
our brain and time in this moment. So I started listening podcast. I focused somewhere else, as you heard some ebooks and all. That is also very
yes,
informative. This is a kind of a source of a learning. But I started observing podcast where I could grab a lot of words which I use and which I think I shared with you. So I started making notes of these because I had a great and profound interest about English language. Whether I took admission in those days, there were no any sources of like a speaking or something. So I joined a spoken class as just only for my practice or to check where I am, like what is my level now. When I entered there within a week, means I was very good at it. I realized even a teacher just appreciated me, and within the month they gave me a chance. They offered me job there. I was not nervous really. This was not anything new for me. Rather, and here I live in Kanpur, so I thought Kanpur, so like spoken classes would be something quite different and higher one. But as I entered, however, means as I spent a lot of time with my books and dictionaries, so nothing was new there. Already I was introduced with each and every word which there was teaching the teacher. So as teacher taught me, I started giving just a presentation. I was not nervous. I spoke as I'm speaking here. Yeah, it was not that much fluent because I was not that much fluent that time. So yeah, it took a bit like 1 month, and I started speaking the same as I'm speaking here. Then I realized like yeah, that is a very good time where I can utilize my time because there is nothing apart from English where I'm interested for. No any platform, no any field, no nothing is which I'm interested for. कुछ और है ही नहीं इंग्लिश के सिवा जिसमें मुझे इंटरेस्ट आता है. So yeah, I chose this profession. Then I started working. I joined one online learning platform where I wanted to grab the techniques, how they present the screen, how what they do, how they make the groups, and how they perform, how they provide the things. So I joined there. Few of the students of mine, they were in my batch, and they started appreciating me. Then I personally get shared the contact number, and I said to them, I'm a trainer, not a student. They started learning with me. I provided them class for free for months, for a month, and then I started my own career after completing that. So that was the journey, which was very interesting.
One